Today, we celebrate our communal existence, our shared environment, and our sacred responsibility to party! T-shirt! T-shirt! T-shirt!
If you're taking your kids to Animal Kingdom this year, you need to know exactly what happens in the dark during the new Zootopia ride. Late last year, Disney permanently closed the classic It's Tough to Be a Bug show. They replaced it with Zootopia, Better Zoo Together, right inside the Tree of Life. But parents are asking me the exact same question over and over. Is the new Zootopia ride scary? Here's the straight truth. The storyline is great. You get Carrot Vision 3D glasses, you see Judy Hopps, Nick Wilde, in an insanely fluid Officer Clawhauser animatronic. But this is a 4D show. You're gonna get hit with water mists and bubbles, and more importantly, Disney kept the physical seat effects. Yes, the bugs are gone, but during one scene in the dark, a mechanical roller is gonna trigger right under your lower back to simulate little critters scurrying under your seat. If you have a sensitive toddler, that sudden physical touch will make them jump out of their skin. Sit them forward on the edge of the seat or warn them before the lights go out. Before we talk about the wait time strategy, hit the like button and subscribe. If you want brutally honest Disney guides, you are in the right place. Also, if you want to look like a pro in the parks this summer, scan the QR code on your screen right now. I just dropped brand new theme park inspired designs on the shop. Whether you belong to the rope drop squad or you're just here for the snack squad, grab a shirt before your trip. Okay, let's talk strategy. Do not rope drop this attraction. The queue winds around the roots of the tree, with the 2026 summer crowds. Standing out there for 45 minutes in the Orlando humidity is miserable. But here's the secret. This theater holds over 400 people per show. It eats crowds. Do not burn a Lightning Lane multipass on this early in the day. Save those for Flight of Passage or Expedition Everest. Wait until 2 or 3 in the afternoon. That's when the standby line drops to 20 minutes and you get to escape the hottest part of the day in an air-conditioned theater. And one last pro tip. Disney added a new Judy and Nick meet and greet outside on Discovery Island. Because they're so popular, cast members cut that line off early. Check your app and get there 15 minutes before they actually come out. If figuring out lightning lanes and schedules makes you want to cancel your vacation, stop stressing. Head over to AmericanTravel.fun. You can use my free Disney World planning toolkit to estimate your budget and build your daily strategy. I also have a full blog post up answering the 10 dumb Disney questions you are too afraid to ask. You're ready for Zootopia, but if you're heading to Magic Kingdom on this trip, the old rules are dead. Click the video on your screen right now to see the massive 2026 upgrades to Buzz Lightyear Space Ranger spin. I'll see you in the parks.